Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn about numbers and time in Korean. Before we go into the official lesson, let's do a warm-up. Let's count to 1 to 10 in English. Then count to 11 to 20. And then let's analyze the structure of numbers. What is the mechanism? So, 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth. Have you finished? Now let's learn the concept. How can we count to 10? In Korean, there are two different ways to count number. One is native, and the one is sino. Let's deeply dig in. In this picture, 하나, 둘, 셋 are called native, and 1, 2, 3 are called sino. These two types have different usage examples. Now, let's learn how to count numbers after 10. Counting after 10 is easy because you just have to add smaller numbers to 10. Numbers can be said in two ways. Sino-Korean numbers. 10 더하기 1 is 11. 10 더하기 2 equals 12. And 20 is 20. 20 더하기 1 is 21. 20 plus 2 is 22. Next is native Korean numbers. 10 is 열. 10 plus 1 is 열 plus 하나, 열 하나. 10 plus 2 is 열 plus 둘 equals 열 둘. And 20 is 20, which is also called as 스물. 20 plus 1 is 스물 plus 하나, which equals 스물 하나. 20 plus 2 is 스물 plus 둘, which equals 스물 둘. Here are lists of more numbers. In Sino-Korean numbers, when we count in tens, we show which tens we're on by adding a number in front. For example, 10 is 10, 20 is 20, here is 2, which is E, and 10, which is 10. For numbers that include both a 10 and a ones place, like 27 or 47, we combine the numbers in the tens place with the numbers in the ones place. 23 is 23, 2 for 20, and then 3 for 3. 47 is 4 for 4 and 10 for 10, which equals 40, and then 7 for the 7. But in native, we have own different names of every tens, so numbers between tens like 21 or 35 are expressed as just by adding each number of ones place right behind to each tens. 21 is 스물 하나, which is 20 for 스물 and 1 for 하나. 30 is 서른, 5 is 다섯, which equals 서른다섯. We use Sino numbers as counting money, reading phone number, and for math. But for the native numbers, we use them as counting age, hours, and living creatures. Write down each number as in Sino and native number 4. So, for example, 1, 1 could be said as 1. Or also 하나. And 6 can be written as 6 or also 여섯. So try to do the rest. And next is practice and play. Now let's practice applying these numbers. Now let's apply these numbers that we learned to a situation. Look at the example below and tell your age in Korean. I say and you answer. How old are you? 지금 몇 살인가요? Well done. Let's apply the numbers in reading time. For reading time, we use native Korean numbers. For example, for 7 o'clock, we say 7시. And AM is called 오전 and 오후 is PM. So if you're trying to say 7 o'clock at AM, you say 오전 7시. And 7 o'clock at PM, you say 오후 7시. Next, if someone asks you how many people are there, say in Korean using the appropriate number form. Well done. Now, let's say in Korean how many dollars this is. Well done. It's 50달러. Next, this is my phone number. How can we read this? Well done. It's 010-2195-8530. Now, let's practice this expression. When you're asking what time is it in Korean, you can say 몇 시인가요? Then you can answer with the number by expressing the current time in native, of course, which is 시 right behind the number, which means a clock. Repeat after the tutor. 몇 시인가요? Well done. 3시입니다, which means it's 3 o'clock. Now let's try one more time. 몇 시인가요? Well done. 5시입니다, which means it's 5 o'clock. 몇 시인가요? Well done. 6시입니다, which means it's 6 o'clock. Next, finally, 몇 시인가요? Well done. 9시입니다, which means it's 9 o'clock. Now, one question. 지금은 오전 9시인가요? Is it 9 o'clock in the AM? But as you can see, it is not, so you can repeat. 아니요, 오후 9시입니다. No, it's 9 o'clock in PM. You just have mastered how to count numbers and read time. Congratulations! Next time, let's learn daily life expressions. It's important to review than simply learning, so review hard until next time. See you next time.